Hey guys, Carlos from Real Tees Fishing TV. Today we got a quick video. We have one of our outboards that's giving us a little bit of trouble when we try to start it up. So sometimes she'll start up perfectly fine, other times she's very slow to crank as if there's a dead battery or whatnot, and other times it just doesn't even react when you try to turn the key. It just doesn't give us anything. So there's something going on with the signal from the key over to the outboard, and we've actually tracked it down to the starter cable. So the cable that runs from the batteries to the outboard are the main cables, and then there's a cable that runs from the connection point on the outboard to the starter, which is the power, has actually corroded, and you actually can't even tell that it's corroded. But we tracked it down because it got super hot, and as you'll see in the video, when we go to grab it, it completely just falls off. So corrosion in these cables is a big player onto giving us a bunch of issues with the outboards. This outboard in particular is probably nearing 20 years old, and the cables look perfectly fine, but inside the jacket there's corrosion which you can't see, and will have you chasing your tail. So if your outboards are nearing 15-20 years, anything that has to do with power cables, it's a good idea to start replacing them so that you don't run into these issues later on. And if you are running into these issues, look into corrosion, grounds, power cables, and starter cables. Might want to replace them.